mileage.
425, code 4.
They're back up the one.
So as far as that goes, she doesn't near the COVID testing site, and she wouldn't be advised to trespass or something like that. Okay, so you can't go back over there, I understand why. If you do, she can have you side over trespassing, right? That makes sense. Okay. All right, have a good day. Did you want to go back in there to see if they can help you out, or
he's seeing a client right now. He's going to take you right after that.
okay, so but you just can't hang out over there, okay? They don't want you on the property. You want to hang out in the shed, you get here if you want to stay on the sun. All right, sir. Have a good day.
COVID testing. What?
You can't be up here because I have patients and they have patient confidentiality.
This isn't a public area?
This right here is medical. You can do it on the street, but these people are my patients and it's medical. I would ask if you please respect that. That would be nice.
Once I'm done documenting and everything all good and take off.
Really, it would just be nice. You just don't cause a problem. Please go over there.
I'm not causing a problem. I'm documenting your signs.
I don't want to, I'm going to call the cops and have you no trespassed also.
Oh, go for it. Do your thing.
Can you just leave, please?
Nope.
Are you one of those?
She already said she's gonna call the cops. I'll wait for the cops.
Are you one of those like 805 cop pages?
I don't know what that is. What is that?
You guys just talk shit about cops
I don't know what you're talking about.
on YouTube.
What, YouTube?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
What am I gonna be on? What is this gonna be on? So you're not talking? You don't speak?
You just heard me talk, right?
Yeah, but you don't speak now?
I'll wait for the cops right here.
I want to make no trespassing.
So the parking lot's off limits. It's private property.
This is a public forum. This is a Superior Court, man.
No, the court's hasn't been ran since.
Not active right now.
It's not
Well,
active.
it's still a public forum, man. Our tax dollars pay for this. The museum over there.
What? We're here to take care of the public. What if
I'm
you
not
trespass?
stopping you.
We can't have them.
You can't just tell people, hey, he's
Why
not
are you
doing
so
anything
rude?
wrong, but we
Why?
don't like what he's
So
doing.
Why are you doing
You
it?
can't do that.
So why are you doing it?
But you can't.
I was documenting your signs and you freaked out.
Yeah, because I'm trying here to
You
take care
can't
of
take
people.
pictures of people. We have to have it quiet. It's privacy.
425.
He just doesn't have nothing better to do. He can't get a road dog. That's all it is.
Oh, is that all it is?
That's all
By
it
myself in
is.
30, it'll be back and route. You don't walk around.
Sure thing.
Because you don't have a road job. It's all good.
Go ahead. If you want to write out a trespass notice, go for it. I refuse to leave without a trespass notice.
I'll be right.
Thank you. We went to school for a reason.
You're a Karen. You're just a Karen. That's all you are.
I sure am. I'm a
Back
good
to work,
Karen.
Karen.
That's way more money than you.
Back to work, Karen.
Yes, sure. I sure am.
Oh, a good Karen. Sure.
Everybody, that boy needs a little job.
So Karen called the cops on me over here. I'm at the vet's hall. It's 100% public, so they can say whatever they want.
Man, your camera sucks.
And the cop is just sitting there, entertaining it.
Can I shout myself out?
Do it.
Nah. Look at a nice car though.
What's this for?
Oh, you're gonna be all rude and then just ask questions like I'm just supposed to give you answers?
I wasn't even. What the fuck?
Bunch of Karens. That's all you are.
And you're just a fat ass Kevin. Is what you are.
Sure thing.
Watch this cop to supervise. Stand here all day. I get paid for 12 hours.
Do you even get paid for this?
It's none of your business.
So you just go here, post on YouTube?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you do.
Nope.
Are you that 805 cop watch?
Oh, is that me? I didn't know that.
Well, I was asking. I didn't assume. I said, are you?
Minimum wage for me.
You can't get a professional job, you guys. Don't trip. Look at the cops are professional. We're professional. Anybody who watches this
Hello, sir.
channel
What's up, man?
is alive.
So this business doesn't want you on their property?
This is a public forum, man. Our tax dollars pay for this. It's a museum.
So, no, actually this is where they, it's a medical, they're doing medical stuff here.
If you want to write me a trespass notice, I'll leave.
Okay. Yeah, now can I get your ID, please?
No.
Well then, how am I supposed to write you a trespass
You could just put
notice?
good citizen on it, man.
That's not the way that works. Can I please have your ID?
Nope.
Can you give me your name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel what?
I'm not gonna.
5 in front.
I'll write it down. Gabriel, can you spell your first name?
Nope.
No.
No.
What's your last name, Gabriel?
Nope.
No, what?
Out here at the vet's hall. This is still a vet's hall, right?
Is it? I don't know what they're doing right now.
It's a public forum, 100%. Museum. The public is welcome here. These people in the background just called the cops because I was documenting their signs.
Which signs? The COVID testing signs?
Yes.
Sorry, officer, that you guys gotta jail people who don't got a life. His wife left him for his brother.
Alright, we'll be back. You guys can keep recording each other, you can record us, but it doesn't matter. Figure out what they want. Just hang back here, don't come closer to our car.
If you want to stay recording, you can. You're gonna violate people's privacy, but that's up to you, I
Oh,
suppose.
is that what I'm gonna do?
That's
What's your
what it
name,
looks
sir?
like.
Oh, you're the guy. You're that one guy that ignored me, huh? I'm talking about the earlier interaction.
Hey Gabriel, you need to stay further back from him, okay? Don't be walking up that close to officers.
Stop being scared, man.
If it was my house,
Good
it's
time to be
different.
scared. A lot of people are hurting
If I was
cops.
at McDonald's, it's different. But why does he feel the need to take patients? Because he doesn't have a life?
Get educated. Know the laws, people. Know the laws before you start going into Karen mode.
Feel good. I hope people harass your sisters and your mom the way you're harassing us women.
Camera isn't harassment. You have cameras on your building.
Shame on you because
You have cameras on your building. You're just too stupid to notice.
You know what? I hope you think you get lots of views for this.
I'm glad you're gonna learn today.
Okay.
It's okay. You know what? One of these days he's gonna leave. No one cares because he's nobody.
One of these days I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave really soon, actually. Later.
Come on in, guys.
Once I'm done, I'll leave. Like I said.
Let's take care of these people. Come on, you guys. We're gonna take care of you guys.
Don't switch it into Karen mode.
Bye, Kevin. Bye. Get along.
Officer trying to kick me off of the public property. Later, Bruins. Excuse me.
He got some meat on that stomach, boy. I'll send this to my mom.
These fools trying to violate me. These fools trying to violate me over here. Bruins the dick, man. Bruins can eat a fat dick. Bruins wanted me in cuffs, huh? You wanted me in cuffs, huh? He made it known. He made it known. Back to work, Bruins. Back to work. Let's cruise it. Let's go. Yeah, here they are. Look at, you see them? She's trying to block my travel. Look at her. Wow. Crazy. Straight up tried to block my car.